In this video, I will show you how to fit long text in a single cell with multiple lines in Excel like this. So it's easy and quick way. Type your text here. Now press Alt and Enter. Type here your second line. Then Alt plus Enter. So repeat same process. Keep your cursor last letter. Then Alt plus Enter. So this way you can insert the multiple line in a single cell. Click anyway. Also you can insert the bullets before line. So keep your text before your line start. So keep your cursor, press Alt and press number 7 key or numeric keypad like this. Now copy it and paste one by one like this. So this way you can insert multiple lines. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.